Lesson 2. Today we are going to look at our lesson 2. And the lesson 2 is also about vocabulary improvement. Turakiga isomo rya kabiri, n'isomo rya kabiri riragaruka ku bijyanye no kongera inyunguramagambo. Vocabulary improvement. So, keep watching. Domestic animals. Domestic animals ni inyamaswa zo mu rugo cyangwa se amatungo. Domestic animals. Kuvuga ngo uyu munsi vocabulary tugiye kwiga zirarebana n'amatungo cyangwa se inyamaswa zo mu rugo. Next, we have a cow. A cow. A cow niyo bita inka mu Kinyarwanda. Next, a goat. A goat. A goat. A goat niyo bita ihene mu Kinyarwanda. Itandukanye na hen. A hen. A hen niyo bita inkoko. Abantu bakunda kwitiranya ibi bintu, byajya kuvuga ihene akayita a hen. Biratandukanye. Ihene y'Ikinyarwanda mu Cyongereza yitwa a goat. Noneho inkoko mu Cyongereza niyo yitwa a hen. A duck. A duck. A duck ni imbata. A duck, imbata. Noneho dufite a dog. A dog. A dog ni imbwa. Imbwa. A cat. A cat. A cat. A cat ni ipusi cyangwa se injangwe. Tukagira a dove. Dove. Dove ni inuma. Ntabwo basoma dove. Ni a dove. Dove, inuma. A pig. A pig. Pig ni ingurube cyangwa se iyo abantu bita nk'akabenzi y'indyohesha birayi imaze kugira amazina menshi. Iyo niyo yitwa pig. A pig. Tukagira a rabbit. A rabbit. A rabbit. Rabbit, urukwavu. Tukagira a rat. A rat, imbeba. Iyo umaze noneho kumenya zimwe mu nyunguramagambo, ugerageza kuzikoresha gukora interuro zoroheje. Nizo twita simple sentences. Simple sentences, interuro zoroheje. Muri izi nteruro zikurikira urajya ubona mu nteruro hakoreshejwemo byibura rimwe haraba hakoreshejwemo byibura rimwe mu nyunguramagambo twavuze haruguru. Urugero, cows give us milk. Cows give us milk. Inka ziduha amata. Urabona neza yuko inka zikoreshejwe muri iyi nteruro. Ni ukuvuga ngo umaze kumenya inka ushobora kuzikoresha gukora interuro zoroheje. Cows give us milk. Inka ziduha amata. Next, goats give us meat. Goats give us meat. Ihene ziduha inyama. Hens give us eggs. Hens give us eggs. Inkoko ziduha amagi. Number 4, ducks like water. Ducks like water. Ducks like water. Imbata zikunda amazi. Number 5, domestic animals give us manure. Domestic animals give us manure. amatungo aduha ifumbire. I have 10 rabbits. I have 10 rabbits. Mfite inkwavu 10. I have 10 rabbits. I want to buy 6 goats. I want to buy 6 goats. Ndashaka kugura ihene 6. Number 8. Pigs have good meat. Pigs have good meat. Pigs have good meat. Ingurube zigira inyama nziza. Rats are small animals. Rats are small animals. Rats are small animals. Imbeba ni inyamaswa ntoya. Jesus loves doves so much. Jesus loves doves so much. Yesu akunda inuma cyane. Hanyuma umaze gukora uduteruro dutoya, hari imyitozo. The so-called exercise. Exercise. Imyitozo. Imyitozo rero ni ikurikira. Fill the following words in the gaps provided. Uruzuza amagambo akurikira mu myanya yatanzwe. Fill the following words in the gaps provided. So the words are goat, dogs, hens, manure, home, milk, eggs, water, eat, and meat. Those are the words that you will be filling in the gaps provided. So the first question is, dash dash gives us meat. Dash dash gives us meat. So you will put the appropriate word from the list above. Question number 2, dash dash protect homes. Dash dash protect homes. Number 3, cows give us dash dash. Cows give us dash dash. So you go on filling these gaps using one of the words given above in the list. And you should know that each word has to be used once. Uragenda ureba muri list y'amagambo yatanzwe hejuru, uyuzurishemo muri iyi myanya yatanzwe. Noneho buri jambo wibuke kurikoresha inshuro imwe. Hens give us dash. Number 4, hens give us dash. Number 5, cats dash rats. Cats dash rats. Number 6, I have 10 doves at dash. I have 10 doves at dash. Number 7, domestic animals give us dash. Number 8, ducks like dash. Ducks like dash dash. Number 9, we get eggs from dash. We get eggs from dash dash. Then number 10, on Christmas we eat dash at home. On Christmas we eat dash at home. So thank you very much, and I'd like to encourage everyone that wishes to follow our lessons that we have a WhatsApp number where you can contact us and we give you more lessons. Thank you very much. So follow this also. Hano hari ibyo utagomba kuba wacikwa. Mu bintu utagomba gucikwa harimo aya makuru akurikira. Nyamuneka wikererwa kwigira Icyongereza. Ku ku buryo bworoheje hamwe natwe. Wiga Icyongereza mu gihe gito kandi ukakimenya neza. Ushaka kumenya byinshi ku mikorere yacu, watuvugisha kuri WhatsApp namba yacu ariyo 0786671318. Aha niho hantu wadusanga tukagusobanurira byinshi ku mikorere yacu. Ni ukuvuga ngo aya makuru ntuba ugomba kuyahomba, kuko niyo yakurangira aho wasanga umwarimu mwiza ukwigisha Icyongereza akakigusobanurira mu Kinyarwanda, ndetse mukaba mwabana igihe kirekire. Kora subscribe kugira ngo isomo ryacu rijye rikugeraho ku gihe, kandi ndabashimiye cyane, murakoze. Hanyuma dukomeze kuryoherwa n'iby'iwacu kandi mu buryo bunoze. Murakoze cyane, ndabashimiye. Hanyuma icyo ntakibagirwa kubabwira, umaze gukora subscribe warebye video yacu, jya wibuka kuyisharinga kugira ngo bikomeze kugera kure no ku bandi bagenzi bawe babikeneye. Murakoze cyane, Imana ibahe umugisha. Thank you very much. God bless you.